So here you go. I just got my first debit card and my first bank account in China. So it took some time, but it's worth it.
Hello everyone, I am in front of the Bank of China Sichuan Province headquarters in Chengdu. I opened my first bank account. Well, it's not an easy task, but I wanted to share with you some information. So first of all, it will not work if you have a tourist visa. You need to have at least a student visa or a work visa or a professional visit visa like my case. I'm not here having neither a student nor a working visa, but I have a professional invitation visa. So this was the basis. Also what helped a lot that I have several entries with several visas. This is my visit number 5 in China. So it helped a lot because it's not so straightforward. First of all, I invite you to avoid smaller branches. The best is to go to the Bank of China headquarters in the province where you are located. And from there you have to go early. I was here 8:30 in the morning. I started the process by opening an account. I signed more than 25 documents. I'm not exaggerating. More than 25 documents had to be signed. I had a lot of documents on me, so I advise you to have your passport, including for sure your visa, get your Chinese phone number and make sure that you know your Chinese operator company name, get your local address in China and in your home country. Also, it will work a lot if you deposit something around 1,000 yuan, because this shows seriousness, and then they will take from it some fees for the processing of your card. You have to ask them to link your account to your smartphone applications and payment like WeChat or WeChat and Alipay. For sure this will not happen directly. It will take at least a week before you can link your account to your smart application payment system. One last thing for you, if you are staying less than 3 weeks, they will not do it. So make sure that if you have a long stay, at least a month or longer, I am staying here for 2 months, that early on your trip that you start this process, because this will result in freezing the whole process if you are just telling them I'm leaving next week or something, because they need to make sure that they will send you the first postal letter to your home address. So now it's done. I have my card. I'm very glad. Behind me I can see the Bank of China. The card is linked to my phone number, and if you are planning to stay in China, this will be very useful and very helpful. And don't hesitate, if you have any questions, to put them below in the comments. I will reply them, and from there we can share and help others who are looking for going through the same process. So by that, I thank you everyone. I hope you share and like this video, and good luck with your bank account in China. 再见。